name is Jim Davey. I was in the Marine Corps. I got out of the Marine Corps December 15, 2004. After that, I returned back to the Philadelphia area. I was having issues, and someone told me to go down to the Veterans Multi-Service Center. I walked in, they welcomed me with arms wide open. I met my psychiatrist, who I still see to this day. I was helped with educational benefits that I didn't even know I was entitled to. They train over 200 veterans a year, and they place over 300. It's just a blessing to me what I have gotten out of the VMC. It's a family. Once you're there, you're part of the family. Thankfully, through the help I got there, I was able to start my own construction company. Through the success that the company has had, I'm able to now hire other veterans from the VMC and able to help veterans get into certain trades in the construction industry and open doors for them now because the VMC opened doors for me. The VMC is a partner for life. I'm just so grateful, and I want other veterans to be able to experience what I have through the VMC.